Hey guys, this is Riders of Bridgwater here, one of our trade-ins for this week. This was a BMW C600 Sport. It's 2012, done 5,200 miles. One of the nicest scooters I've ridden, I have to say. It's got plenty of pep. Heated seats, heated grips, decent storage under the seat. You can stow away your helmet. Adjustable screen. It's obviously like any other scooter, it's a twist and go. For more information on this scooter, if you click on the link below, it'll take you to our website. And there'll be more detailed pictures and information there.